What's up? What's up? What's up, YouTube? I'm about to take y'all on a little ride along with me in the Del Sol on the way to work. So we gonna grab them keys and we gonna head. Looking about lovely, if I should say. Don't you just love your mornings walking out to a Honda? I'm gonna set up the GoPro and have y'all like with a full driving view and everything. It's gonna be a pretty dope video. First startup. Alright y'all, here we go. I'm actually about to take the long way to work, the way I get a little piece to drive, you feel me? About 3-4 days. A little distributor work off. One thing I gotta get used to with this car is I cannot pull off in second like I used to in my Subaru. But it's cool. I like it. I actually like this Honda. That's crazy to say. I feel like this is the one for me. One thing I definitely got to do though is handle some of these daggone suspension noises. Like, this suspension noise like crazy. It's all that horsepower, man. I'm telling you, it's all that horsepower. But yeah. I bought that eBay exhaust just for the piping. When I bought the car, it didn't have no exhaust or anything on it at all. They had cut the cats off, cut the resonator off. They were actually gonna junk it, but hey, I saved it, so it still had some soul left in it. How I know that suspension, like once I put a good decent suspension in here, get it aligned and find some better wheels, like the wheels that's on it right now is just stuck on there to get the car rolling. But man, once I get some suspension and wheels, this thing gonna be a little road hugger. on this Del Sol. Like, I ain't done with it just yet. So comment down below in the comment section. Give me any kind of ideas and things. I need more Honda mods, man. I'm still stuck. I don't know what to do with this car just yet. I really don't know what to do with it just yet. Alright, now that I'm here at work, y'all tell me how that GoPro video thing turned out. I know for a fact the exhaust is, yeah, that's the first major fix and mod I got to get done to this car. But let me know if y'all like them ride along videos. I can definitely supply some more of those with the Honda and or the Roadmaster. The moped vlog's about to come back soon. I got some wheelies that's about to pop out. I almost got the 2-stroke running, but yeah. Subscribe, like, comment. Help me keep building this channel, y'all, and stay tuned for more.